transferred for recasing. Take out the new shell design. This one's no less than 4
This is Captain Cole of the 3rd Militia Grenadiers to any militia survivors. They're relocated to the IMC.
Militia intruders, this is General Marder of the Interstellar Manufacturing Corporation. You're in violation of sovereign law. I'm offering you a brief amnesty. Surrender yourself to an IMC officer or force. If you refuse, you will be eliminated.
We work for the IMC, not Blisk or his mercenaries.
We work for whoever the IMC say we work.
What are you trying to get? A medal?
I don't care who's giving you orders. Blisk and his mercs, General Marder. Us grunts get paid the same either way. All that matters is that thing in the mountains goes online as scheduled.
You think it's true? What Tex is saying about it?
Do I look like a bloody anorak to you, man? But if it is true, then the militia are going to have a very bad day. You know what I mean?
To any militia forces in the region, find them.
Hostile pilot, no visual. Anyone have eyes on the pilot?
Check your angle! Come in! Anyone in this sector, come in!
Any militia personnel, I must remind you that you are on the planet Titan. This is an IMC approach.
You wanted to make a difference. You were brave enough to join people who believed in protecting the freedom of the frontier. As individuals, the IMC might be able to pick us off. That's what they've been trying to do. All hands. The James McCallan has been sent to take down IMC research facility on the planet Titan. We're all here. Part of something that matters. You wanted to make a difference. You were brave enough to join people who believed in protecting the freedom of the frontier.
Vanguard-class Titan.
These things are rare. We should sell it.
No bloody way. Those weren't Bliss's orders.
That guy doesn't scare me. None of those mercenaries do.
Sure, you say that now. Just wait till they got a gun to your head.
General Marder better plan.
Power low. Insufficient power. Power at 2/3. Data core reinitialized. Ocular system online. Adjusting focus. Are you all right, pilot?
I think so. Wait, did you just call me pilot?
Yes. The late Captain Lastimosa gave you the provisional rank of acting pilot. Congratulations on your promotion. You may call me BT.
BT. Got it.
My systems are rebooting, but a third battery will accelerate the process. I will remain here. Until I am mobile, I will assist you through your helmet radio when possible.
To all militia personnel, the IMC will grant safe passage back to the Angel City Penitentiary. To all who surrender, it would be wise to turn yourself...
Pilot, I advise against turning yourself over to the IMC. Voice pattern analysis indicates they are lying.
Don't worry, BT. I'm not going anywhere.
Understood, but I do recommend you move. IMC salvage teams are not far away.
Raptor 3, we're taking heavy hits! The IMC have us surrounded! To any militia survivors!
I mean, I'm not leaving you.
It is a common requirement for pilots to maneuver in situations without a linked Titan.
Lieutenant, do you know about Ruben Bliss? I hear he's from IMC. He's in charge of these Apex Predators, top-shelf mercenaries indicating over. I'm surprised you've never heard of it. Heard of that gig? Maybe Omicron.
Pilot, my mapping systems have been restored. The ambush of the 9th Militia Fleet has landed us far off course from our original destination. We are located in hostile territory. Be careful, we cannot stay here long.
You think we can survive through this, BT?
We have no other options. We will have to improvise and adapt if we wish to survive.
How long did you serve with Lastimosa?
Captain Lastimosa linked with me 973 days ago.
Militia survivors out there. We will find you and we will track you down one by one. I ask you to come out of hiding.
It's longer than any relationship I've had.
We have
Noted.
IMC search teams everywhere. If you resist capture, you will be branded an outlaw, and we will have no choice.
We got movement! Watch your side!
Suspect gone! I doing? Follow my target! Run! Lost visual!
Pilot, your suit has an emergency cloaking ability. This can help you survive dangerous situations.
Is there anyone alive on this ship?
No. Scans do not detect any life signs within the MCS James McAllen, but 90% of the lifeboats have been ejected. There is still hope.
BT, who is this force?
This is the commander of the Marauder Corps, a section of the Militia's Special Recon Squadron, or SRS. Her name is Sarah Briggs.
Our very freedom is at stake. We fight as a unit because we are stronger together.
South 2 Gamma. There's a Vanguard-class Titan near the wreckage of the McAllen. Chassis number Bravo Tango 7274.
To all militia survivors, it would be in your best interest to turn yourselves in. Surely you would agree it is better for our infantry to rifle first.
Pilot, our location has been compromised. Those drones are IMC scouts. Enemy reinforcements will be on their way. We must complete the Neuralink immediately. Please install the final battery. Power at full capacity. Pilot, we must establish a Neuralink in order to proceed. Please embark when ready. Protocol 1, link to pilot. Establishing neural link. link established. Rifleman Jack Cooper, you are now confirmed as acting pilot of BT-7274. Protocol 2, uphold the mission. Our orders are to resume Special Operation 217. Rendezvous with Major Anderson of the SRS. I'm detecting incoming enemy forces. Protocol 3, protect the pilot. Reinitializing critical systems. Vortex shield online. The Vortex shield catches incoming rounds and missiles. Release the button to launch any captured objects back at the enemy. Pilot, the Acolyte pod is online. This shoulder-mounted rocket pod will lock onto multiple enemy targets. The longer you hold down the button, the more locks you will achieve. Neuralink complete. Primary weapon control and motion link re-established. Pilot, enemy Titanfall detected. We will have to fight our way to safety. Get ready.
Great. Just gotta kill a few bad guys.
A positive attitude can only improve our situation.
Militia Titan spotted, chassis number BT-7274. Taking fire. Not bad, pilot. Not bad.
Down. Well done, pilot. Our combat effectiveness rating has increased. Pilot, I detect more IMC salvage teams on the way. Our only chance of survival is to uphold our mission of rendezvousing with Major Anderson. Until then, you and I are on our own. Marking your HUD. We must move quickly.